With dunder name equals dunder main, you can check if code runs at top level, and some say it's good practice to use it in all your scripts. But is that true? In this video you learn why you see this code in Python, so you can better decide when to use it. Look at this code. It has a function that returns a salutation. I ask for a name and print the salutation. Look at the result. No surprises here. But now the program evolves and I create a second script. Mail.py will use the salutation function, so I import salutate as a module. This time I execute mail.py. Look at the terminal. Python asks for a name. By importing salutate, all code in salutate.py was executed, including asking for input. By importing salutate as a module, all code in the salutate script was executed. And although mail.py does not contain the input function, the system asked for a name. In this case, that is just inconvenient. But what if the salutate script was also imported by a unit test? There might be a server somewhere on the world now, forever waiting for user input. So, when a script is used as a module, some code might need to be disabled. And this is where the check on the dunder name variable comes in. Let me show you. First, I print the value of dunder name. I execute salutate.py. Watch the value of dunder name. Now I execute mail.py. Look at the difference. When salutate is executed with the Python command, its name is dunder main. When salutate is imported, the name is salutate. To prevent code from being executed when a script is imported, check for the value of dunder name. I execute salutate.py again. The script was executed with the Python command and asked for a name. I execute mail.py, which should not ask for a name anymore. And that works. Code in a script that is executed with the Python command is called top-level code. Only at top level, dunder name has value dunder main. You can use this to conditionally execute code. You might have read that it is good practice to always check for this value, but I do not agree with this. Many Python programs I see exist of single scripts without unit tests. With a single script, the code is always top level. Notice that the check would only add an extra line of code and an indentation level. And if a system consists of many files, I'd say that checking for top-level code is only needed in modules that have code outside of functions and classes. Whatever you decide, you now know what the name check does, so you can decide better what is right for your code. And that's all for this video. For more Python tutorials, click one of my other videos. Thanks for watching.